Is it recommended to invest in Nifty small cap passive fund versus active small cap fund?
Would ask you to refrain from doing that, because mid and small cap is all about, as I said again and again, repeating, it's avoiding mistakes. Okay. And when I look at the index in the small and mid cap, any stock, not only on its merit, but on liquidity is the first criteria which gets a part of index. So there has to be large free float, there has to be large liquidity. That's one of the criteria for a stock inclusion in the small cap or a mid cap index. That doesn't make a company a great company, right? Many companies I know which are great companies which are not part of index, and that's where the alpha generation ability of professionals like us lies. You look at mid cap index, and please don't take it as a stock recommendation. One of the largest weight stocks 2, 3, 4 years back was a company called Vakrangi, right? It won up to 3.5% of the mid cap index. We were very clear we are not investing in that company because of whatever our investment philosophy. Let it be a part of index. I clearly remember in 2017, it went to a market cap of 35,000 crores and became the largest holding in the index. I underperformed for 6 months. But what I underperformed, I got back in the next 3 months in 2018 when the market crashed. And that 400 rupees stock became a penny stock, or maybe 20 rupees stock, right? Still part of index. But if I would have owned that index ETF or index fund of small cap or mid cap, you would have got that as a part of the index investment, right? Which made sure that you underperform. So I think it's cycle where you are seeing that. Today you are saying the small cap index because there are only 4, 5 funds, including us, who have been able to outperform. And that's the reason small cap index is looking lucrative. But if you look at a slightly longer period of time, and let me give you that data, on a 10-year period, small cap index has given 13% compounded return. Our small cap fund has given 21% compounded return, which is 8% alpha annualized over a decade. So that can't happen in fluke. That can be only possible if we avoid mistakes. And by owning an index fund in a broader market, you will not be able to avoid those mistakes which are part of the index. I hope I answered that question.